Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Warabi Mochi, a cool and smooth mochi-like dessert. This is a traditional sweet that's been enjoyed for many years, especially during Japan's hot and humid summer. These are the ingredients. We use Warabi Mochi starch that is sold at Japanese markets. The starch is extracted from warabi, a fern-like wild vegetable. The real warabi starch is rare these days, and they tend to substitute or mix with other starch, such as sweet potato or tapioca. First, we prepare the topping. Mix Kinako, soybean powder, with some sugar. Kinako has a great nutty flavor and goes well with warabi mochi. We also prepare a bowl of ice-cold water to cool the warabi mochi when it's cooked. Now we mix warabi mochi starch with a bit of sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar depending on how you like it, or skip completely. In a pot, add water, warabi mochi starch, mix with sugar, and mix. Turn on the heat and cook at high heat, stirring constantly. When the texture starts getting lumpy, turn down the heat to medium and continue cooking and stirring until it becomes very thick and almost transparent. Like that. And remove from heat. Immediately scoop 1 heaping tablespoon of the cooked warabi mochi mixture and drop into ice-cold water. The ice cream scoop makes it easier. Repeat and let cool for a couple of minutes in ice water and strain well and serve right away. Put the pieces of warabi mochi on a plate and generously sprinkle Kinako mixture on top. Warabi mochi is pretty light, not as heavy as rice-based mochi. It is such a great dessert in summer. If you can find the warabi mochi starch and Kinako at a Japanese market or online store, give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。